Hi everyone. The main question I get whenever I meet somebody who doesn't understand the nomadic lifestyle is always the same. How can you travel with only one hand luggage? The answer is in this video. Basically, it's really simple. It's knowing what you need. Packing according to your destination or destinations. Don't take any more than you need. And finally, wash your clothes whenever you have the occasion. I'm not a minimalist yet because I own more clothes than what I'm showing you that I keep in my parents' place, but I try to donate them every time I go back to visit them. It's also important whenever you're traveling to recognize the clothes or the electronics that have no space in your luggage and they have no use for you, and sell or donate them as soon as you can to make space for more useful stuff. This said, that helped me pack my stuff because I'm leaving soon, so I show you what I pack in my luggage. This is what I'm traveling with, my suitcase and my backpack. Usually I use the suitcase for the clothes and the backpack for the electronics. Now a lot of companies allow you to bring a personal item together with a hand luggage, so I try to make the most out of it. Let's start with the suitcase and fill it up. So here we go, everything that I'm gonna pack. Let's start with a t-shirt. So I usually pack 5 to 7 t-shirts, 2 shirts for the nicer occasion, 1 long neck t-shirt, 2 tank top, 1 pair of long jeans and 1 pair of long pants, 2 shorts, 1 short for the gym, 1 swim short, 7 underwear and 7 socks, 1 for every day of the week. And finally, 1 sweater. Then in my toiletry bag, I have my razor, toothbrush, plugs for the hostels, and my perfume in these really small bottles, and my sleeping mask, a really professional one. It's called Manta Sleep, and I totally recommend it if you're a light sleeper like me. Then I usually pack 1 pair of flip-flops and 2 pair of shoes, 1 more for the day, 1 more for the evening. That's all. Here is an overview of the electronics that I bring with me and the items that I put in my backpack. So the iPad, my external hard disk, universal plug always needed, my laptop stand with a keyboard and trackpad, my Kindle, 2 power banks, you never know, a drone that I'm bringing with me for the first time, the case for my GoPro, the GoPro, some USB stick, SD card, my notebook, and some material for diving, such as the diving watch and the red lens, my passport, diving logbook, international diving license, well, and of course my laptop. I didn't include any cables because I'm gonna pack them in this. Let's also not forget about the packing cubes. Once you put the clothes into the packing cubes, you can compress them, saving a lot of space. Everything has been properly packed into their packing cubes. They are so small. It's time to put everything into the luggage. So everything has been packed. These are the clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow. And now it's just time to close it and check the final weight. Okay, let's check it. $13, not bad. Let's check the bag as well. That's 7, definitely good. Finally, My luggage is closed, my backpack as well, so I can just relax and enjoy the last night with the family. My flight is tomorrow morning. So this time wasn't easy to pack, not just because I was vlogging and documenting all the process, but also because I had a lot of doubts on wishing to bring with me, which not. And the technique is always the same. Just ask yourself, will I need this item? Put yourself in a situation where you need the item, and then decide if it's worth it to put in your luggage or not. So I'm really proud of this packing because I fit everything that I'm gonna need in the next 6 to 9 months in only 18 kilos, including electronics that they weigh a lot. So this said, I think it's my time to relax and get ready for my flight. Goodbye.